Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video I am sharing 6 cleaning hacks that I have found to help keep your homes nice and clean and just making some of the chores a lot easier. Do make sure that you watch until the end for all 6, and let's just jump straight into it. So hack number 1 is cleaning the grout in the bathroom, and this one is a little bit time consuming, so I would only do it once a year, probably for my spring cleaning. But go ahead and mix some bicarbonate of soda and water to a paste, then go around all of your grout with a toothbrush and just scrub it on. Once you've got it all on, spray it over with the white vinegar spray and give it a little rub over again and rinse it off. It works wonders, and again, you probably only have to do this once a year. So if you've been here before, then you know I love to have a nice clean shiny sink, but there's no point having a clean sink if it smells bad, and that brings me to hack number 2. I'm going to go ahead and do the drains with the bicarbonate of soda and white vinegar. I'm not sure why I haven't done this before, but it absolutely worked wonders. So first of all, of course, any excuse to clean the sink, I'm going to go in with my sift cream and white vinegar spray just to clean it all off, make sure all of the stuck on food has come off and it's nice and shiny before I can go in and do both of the drains. I also do add in some of my favourite scented oil. Of course you can add in any scent that you want, but I went for the zesty orange because it just smells so beautiful. But I will definitely be doing this a lot more often because it's so much better than having to use harsh chemicals every other week to do the drains. I'm just going to go in with the white vinegar and bicarbonate of soda. So if you have pets, then hack number 3 is definitely for you. Go over your carpet with a squeegee and you will be amazed at how much hair is actually stuck to the carpet. Even though I hoover every single day, it just doesn't tackle the bunny fur. So I'm just going to go over with a squeegee and show you exactly what the hoover misses. So it's now time to sort out the bath. So with hack number 4, go ahead and mix together some white vinegar spray and washing up liquid in a spray bottle and just spray over the whole of the bath, all of the bottom. I am going to show you a before and after of this because I was really amazed with the results. It needed absolutely no scrubbing whatsoever. Just spray it on and leave for an hour and rinse off, and it makes it crystal clear. I always struggle with my back whenever I'm doing the bath, so not having to lean over, not having to do any scrubbing is an absolute lifesaver. Moving on to the microwave with hack number 5, go ahead and fill a bowl up with water and some white vinegar and pop it in the micro. Do make sure that it is a microwavable bowl before you pop it in there, but just leave it on high for around 5 minutes and literally just let the steam do the work. Once you pull it out, everything will just wipe off, so there's no scrubbing needed and it just wipes away effortlessly, and again it just leaves everything smelling super fresh and clean. For my final hack, all you need is a sock and some white vinegar spray, and you can go ahead and clean the blinds both sides at the same time. This is absolute genius. The white vinegar gets rid of any dust and dirt, and it just leaves them looking super clean. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you found some of these hacks useful. Let me know down in the comments what ones you're going to try out, and I will see you back here in the next one.